For me, the history of food is very important because I feel like when I learn the history of the dish or the cuisine that I'm cooking, I feel like I cook it that much better. I connect to it more.
So you have all of these different foods from all over the African diaspora, from Afro-Latino to Afro-Caribbean to the 54 different countries in Africa to African-American cuisine here. It's just really just a big combination of all of the different things that Chef really loves.
It was interesting to hear where the food came from and the history of the food and the fact that it's food like I don't know where I could find anywhere else.
Every dish told a story. Every component was like thoughtful and like well thought out. Chef Ophus put like so much heart and soul into the menu that it was like it came through in everything, so it was fantastic. Loved it.